our second market. It is not the oldest or the biggest, however, it's still very big and it's the newest. It's just opened a week ago. An Italian economist just bringing the same concept that they have Mercato Metropolitano in Milan. They're bringing it to London, so they just opened. But we're gonna find out what kind of baking pasta, pizzas, cured meat, everything that has to do with Italian products. So I think it's very promising. Right now it's a bit empty, but we're gonna have a look what is inside. Some crazy pasta. £3 for the pasta. I'm here with Salvatore. Salvatore is going to explain us what is his family business inside the Metropolitan market.
Hi, I'm Salvatore. We just managed this market in Elephant Castle. Prezzemolo Vitale is a family business that comes from Sicily, where we have 6 supermarkets and we sell the Italian delicatessen. Here we just tried to have a selection for our wines that all come from Italy, our cheese, for example, and a lot of the stuff over there that all is selected by our family by years and years of research and selection by my parents.
So you guys trying to build the same concept that you have in Milan as well, no?
Yeah, in Milan there was another kind of supermarket, but that was directly managed by Mercato Metropolitano.
Okay.
For London, Mercato Metropolitano select us because we are really specialized in this kind of work.
Okay.
And that's
great. Thank you very much, Salvatore, for taking your time, and I hope you the best for your business. Thank you very much.
Bye.
Thank you. So I've been lucky enough, and I'm at Latteria, one of the most famous mozzarella places in the world, to be honest with you. And lucky enough, I'm with my friend Biagio, and he's gonna show me how to do mozzarella. So let's find out. So Biagio, come si fa la mozzarella? Come fai la mozzarella?
Latte,
La latte? Sì.
da liquido diventa solido, si forma la cagliata.
Sì. Ok.
Ok? E adesso lavoriamo con l'acqua bollente. Adesso dobbiamo lavorare.
Ah, vale. A quanto tempo, más o menos?
5 minuti.
5 minuti. 5 minuti il mozzarella ready.
Alright guys, basically it's just working now on the cagliata, which is the curd. Comes from the milk from the cow, so it's no buffalo. It's just adding some salt. Since easy process, he's just gonna work hard with his hand. It's basically mixing salt with the curd and boiling water. Temperature on 90 degrees?
Yeah.
90 degrees hot water.
It's nice working with his hands.
Yeah, and because it's too hot, you need to put the hand in the cold water.
¿Eso qué es?
Esto es el interno de la burrata.
Interna de la burrata.
Il queso che sembra il viso.
Oh,
It's just the mozzarella shred mixed with some cream, Italian panna.
nice.
Yeah. That's the burrata.
Proprio belli, eh?
Sì.
So this is how we get fresh mozzarella by the hands of Biagio. my goodness. So good, so good. That was one of the freshest mozzarella I ever tried in my life. Basically, it has a very soft taste in the inside, a quite crunchy taste on the outside, and that olive oil was amazing as well. Great mozzarella, I highly recommend this place. Cheers. So nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Can you please explain me what are you selling here? The chocolate is quite good.
Yes, we have a special chocolate from a region in Italy called Piemonte. Piemonte is famous for gianduia. It's a combination of cocoa and toothpaste. This is the ingredient that we use. And
Hazelnuts.
yes, we make different split cream. We make, for example, pistachio.
Cioccolato di Torino.
Yes,
They're from Torino, from Turin.
we make also different chocolate.
I would never thought that Turin people would have some very good chocolate.
We make the chocolate with ginger, absinthe, red chili, and cinnamon.
Great, that's fantastic.
Yes?
Thank you very much for your
Thank you.
time. Thank you
Thank
so
you to
much.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.